What's up guys? Today's video is about the top 5 best gear through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. So what are the price, performance, and particular use? For more information on the products, do I have to include the links in the description box below, which is updated for the best prices? Like the video, do comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Momcozy Universal Stroller Organizer. As a parent or pet owner, keeping everything organized while on the go can be quite a challenge. Enter the Momcozy Universal Stroller Organizer. This well-designed accessory is a game-changer for anyone pushing a stroller, whether it's for a baby or a pet. With its multifunctional partition design, large capacity, and versatile features, this organizer promises to make your outings smoother and more efficient. Here's a detailed review of why the Momcozy Universal Stroller Organizer is a must-have. Structured and efficient design. One of the standout features of the Momcozy Universal Stroller Organizer is its structured internal design. With multiple pockets and 2 insulated cup holders, this organizer helps you say goodbye to the chaos of a messy stroller. The compartments are thoughtfully designed to place items in a hierarchical manner, making it easy to find what you need quickly. Whether it's diapers, wipes, or your phone, everything has its designated spot. Ample storage space. Despite its compact dimensions, 12.9 by 4.3 by 6.7 inches, this organizer offers ample space for all your essentials. Final thoughts. The Momcozy Universal Stroller Organizer is a high-quality, versatile, small investment that can make a big difference in your daily routine, helping you stay organized and prepared for whatever the day brings. Number 2. Navigating life as a parent or pet owner often requires managing a myriad of items while keeping your hands free to handle the stroller. The Momcozy Universal Stroller Organizer is designed to simplify your life with its practical and versatile features. Here's a detailed review of this must-have accessory that promises to make your outings more organized and stress-free. Key features and design. Structured organization. The Momcozy Stroller Organizer features an internal multifunctional partition design. With 2 insulated cup holders and various pockets, this organizer helps you keep your essentials neatly arranged. The pockets are thoughtfully designed to ensure easy access and avoid the frustration of rummaging through a messy bag. Whether you need to store beverages, diapers, wipes, or your phone, this organizer has a place for everything. Ample storage capacity. Despite its compact size, 10 inches D by 13 inches W by 3 inches H, this organizer offers a large capacity. It can hold up to 2 pounds of items, providing enough space for all your must-have essentials. In conclusion, if you're looking for a practical, durable, and stylish stroller organizer, the Momcozy Universal Stroller Organizer is definitely worth considering. It's a small investment that can make a big difference in your daily routine, helping you stay organized and prepared for whatever the day brings. Number 3. Itzy Ritzy Adjustable Stroller Caddy. The Itzy Ritzy Stroller Caddy stands out with its highly adaptable adjustable straps, designed to fit and adjust to almost any stroller handle. This feature allows for effortless repositioning, ensuring that the caddy is always within easy reach, making stroller storage instantly accessible. Efficient interior with multiple pockets. The stroller caddy is designed with practicality in mind, featuring 2 bottle pockets and a spacious middle compartment. This layout ensures that all your essentials are neatly organized and easily accessible. The smart interior design keeps everything you need within arm's reach, making outings with your little one more manageable. External zippered pocket. Understanding the need for quick access to personal items, Itzy Ritzy has included an external zippered pocket on the front of the caddy. Its adjustable straps, multiple pockets, and easy clean material make it incredibly convenient, while its sleek design ensures you don't have to sacrifice style for functionality. Whether you're a busy parent on the go or looking to add a touch of elegance to your stroller, this caddy is a perfect choice. Number 4. Ethan and Emma Universal Stroller Organizer. Ethan and Emma's Universal Stroller Organizer is designed to make life easier for moms who have a lot to carry. Whether it's toys, sippy cups, books, keys, phones, drinks, snacks, or diapers, this organizer bag ensures everything you need is in one easy-to-find spot. It's perfect for walks around town, trips to the airport, or shopping excursions. Perfect organizer for your busy life. This stroller organizer is a must-have for busy, chic moms. It features specific spots for all your essentials, keeping everything organized, clean, and exactly where you need it, right when you need it. With this premium stroller accessory, you can focus more on enjoying your time out rather than worrying about where things are. Give the perfect baby shower gift. If you're looking for a thoughtful and practical baby shower gift, the Ethan and Emma Stroller Organizer is an excellent choice. Its thoughtful design and premium construction make it an indispensable accessory for strollers. With insulated cup holders, ample diaper storage, secure straps, and multiple pockets for phones, keys, and toys, it truly elevates your parenting experience. Number 5. Stroller Organized Stroller Caddy with Cup Holder. Non-slip straps. The Stroller Organizer features exclusively designed, patented non-slip straps that ensure a universal fit. These straps firmly grip the handlebar of any stroller type, preventing the organizer from slipping or sliding down. Easy to install, it is compatible with umbrella strollers, joggers, single, and even double strollers. Tons of pockets. This organizer comes with extra-large insulated cup holders that can fit a 32 ounces bottle, a wipes dispenser, a phone pocket, and an extra deep compartment perfect for keys, toys, sunglasses, and pacifiers. It has unique features like the expandable wipes pocket, roll-down mesh bag, and safe pocket for cash and cards highlight the thoughtful design of this organizer. As a perfect baby shower gift, this stroller caddy is not only practical but also built to last, thanks to its lifetime warranty. It's a valuable addition to any stroller, making outings with your baby more organized and enjoyable. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.